Okay, so I just want to explain the fault on the Jacobs 20 kilowatt hour machine. So I'm just going to start by the panel in the front. Now it's shown over voltage, right? That frequency that's faded, the LED that's faded there is normally, I'm just after switching it on, normally after a while that actually disappears. I'm not sure what the 1 signifies or what that other LED that's lit up signifies. Okay, so just moving in here, and with the multimeter I've done a series of tests here. So what I did was, so that's the 3-phase coming in, that's the exciter DC voltage, and these 4 here are the choke leads, right? So they go down into the choke underneath here. Okay. Now, so when I have it switched on and the wind is blowing, on the 3-phase, when I put the AC meter to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, I get a voltage difference of about 5 volts, 4, 5, maybe 6, maybe 7 volts at times. But there's definitely something happening there. So that's the 3-phase. Now moving on to the exciter winding, these 2 cables are in parallel and they go out onto the exciter winding in the generator. When I take these 2 out and I run a meter, a resistance meter on them, I get approximately 65 ohms. Okay, so which I'm being told signifies that the exciter winding is intact itself. Okay, then what I do is is it flush? Is that the term that's used? I run a car battery plus minus on this for a couple of seconds to see can I suppose jumpstart the main winding on the generator. I've done that a few times and with no success. So the voltage then has always been 0 across these 2, the DC voltage. Okay, so that's all I can say about the exciter winding. Just looking up further here, this here has these 2 here are the voltage starts low and works its way up to about 60 volts of a difference between these 2 here. Let's see now, is there anything else that I need to tell you? I don't know what the over voltage signifies. Maybe it's something else. The mains, when I switch it on here, it comes in here and it goes seemingly through that cable, what I'm led to believe, to these 2 here. Okay, and then it's fed back out. So that's really all of my limited knowledge. That's really all I can say on it. I do have a meter running in the house, and 239, when it's connected and not connected, it remains the same. The amperature wattage, I'm not sure what it means, and of course that's the kilowatt hour meter there at the bottom, and obviously it hasn't been working. Now, I'd appreciate any input you could give me on this. I don't mind, you know, if somebody wants to help me troubleshoot it, I'll pay them for their time. I'd be really happy to do so, because at this moment the machine itself is on stalemate, and I'm not qualified to know what is going on, unfortunately. So I'd be relying on somebody that would know something about these systems. That inverter, by the way, is called an NX, I think 20. I think that's what it's called, NX 20. If you need any more information, please just maybe give me a bell, and we can take it from there. Thank you.